Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Mustang, 6th generation Ford Mustang between year 2015 and year 2023. If you want to see where the fuse for the horn is located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We'll have a special video why horn does not work if you need help with that as well. We'll also talk why it's super important to test fuses and relays, and all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We take engines apart, transmission. We show you how to fix pretty much almost anything guys. Interior, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys have a Ford Mustang, that generation, 6th generation from year 2015 to year 2023, we'll be guys taking that car completely apart and we'll show you how to fix almost anything. So if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. Let's start on it now. So where is that fuse guys for the horn? We're going to go ahead, open the hood. This is specifically a 2018 Ford Mustang. Even if you have a GT 5.0 or 2.3 EcoBoost, it will work in either way. So if we come right here and your horn does not work, first thing I'll recommend is to check the fuse guys. Okay, to check the fuse for the horn. So where is that fuse located now? We're going to come out, and if you open the hood guys, on the left side next to the engine you have guys your fuse box located here. You're going to press right there, pull up, and that layout that we have right here specifically now, okay, right here you can see the numbers correspond to what we have here. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So the fuse that you need to check for the horn is known as fuse number 21. 21 will be in that row of fuses right here. It will be 1, 2, 3. That third fuse right here, that 20mm fuse, that's the horn fuse guys, okay? You will need to check that fuse guys. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you needing that help. Thank you for watching, see you next time.